Okay, here we are back, and we missed a question last time. So why don't we take a drink of water, and then we'll go ahead and get started with that question.
So I know one of the questions that my people will have is like, can you make some fairly decent chunks of cash at a time, like 25,000, 30,000 at a time? Obviously, the story about the couple that you shared earlier, there's one, but I mean, is that fairly common to make that kind of money?
Okay, well, here's what's happening. When people buy tax lien certificates, they're going to make an interest or a penalty return of 16, 18, 24%. All right. So that's really for conservative investors, and for all you people that have an IRA account or a 401k, that's perfect. Now, if you have a little bit of entrepreneurial blood, I'm going to be able to show you 5,000 auctions in the United States this year that you never heard about. It's an auction, and it's going to be held by a county. The county doesn't want the property, and I'm going to show you a couple of examples, and I'm going to show you people from outside the United States. Now, there would be no sense in me teaching you to go to an auction and make $5,000. One little mistake and you could lose money. So I only teach people to buy properties at the auction for the right price. So if you went to an auction and it was a $100,000 property, it's probably going to start at $10,000. Now, if you bid it all the way up to $100,000, you're not going to be able to sell it and make very much money. But what if there's not a lot of bidders and you could buy it for 20 cents on the dollar? It's still worth $100,000, and you could buy for 20 cents on the dollar. Well, that's a lot of margin. That's a lot of margin. So I would teach you, you bought an auction property, I would teach you, just get rid of it. Just sell it for $50,000. And you're saying, wait a minute, I don't want to leave all that money on the table. Yes, you do. You want to just sell it quickly, get your cash, and now you can do it again, and you can do it again. There's 5,000 auctions. So let me just show you the big money so that you'll know right away that you can make money. Now, a minute ago, I showed you big money on a tax lien certificate. The guy I'm going to show you now does not even live in the United States. I taught him to do it online from Regina, Saskatchewan. Regina is spelled with an R. Regina, which is the capital of Saskatchewan. Huge province, as big as Texas. All right. He was having trouble with real estate there simply because when it went into recession, people couldn't pay the rent. He was losing the properties that he had already put money in. So he said, I want to buy and I want to sell like you do, Ted. So I'm a buyer and I'm a seller. I buy and I sell it. I don't want to hold property long term. I want to buy and I want to sell. Because I want to buy it low, then I'm going to sell it low. I'm going to sell it below the retail. Why? Because all those fixer-upper people want to paint and clean and all that. Look at me. I don't want to do any of that. I don't want to get my hands dirty. So I want to buy it low, okay? All right, so he's going to do that. The first thing I did, I told him to buy a residential lot, okay, at a high value. He stayed in his basement office in Canada. He bought this property. I'm going to show you a video. He bought it for pennies on the dollar, made $20,000. Watch this.
My name is Kelly Osmack and I'm from Regina, Saskatchewan. I'm a Ted.Thomas student. I had purchased a lot in Riverside County, at Riverside. I purchased it for $35,000 and after I got my title, I listed it. It was listed for a month and I got a full cash offer of $55,000 US. After that deal, I went to the Kitsap County in Washington and purchased a 5-acre parcel in Kingston, and I paid $131,000 for that property. It had a 1,300 square foot manufactured home and a barn on the property. Really nice property. I had it listed at $280,000 and I received a full price offer in 4 days.
All right, now there you have it, folks. It was a high price lot. He didn't try and get retail. He just said to the broker, I want to get rid of it. I want to make $20,000. And that's what he did. But now watch, because he knows how to do it, and you'll know how to do it too. Watch what happens on the second one. So I always say to people, don't do it just once. You can do this as many times as you want. So here's what he did on the second one.
I went back to Riverside because it's a great place. I love Riverside for whatever reason. In May, I bought another property. It's in Desert Hot Springs. It's another 5-acre parcel. It's awesome. Yeah, I bought this property for $177,000, 5 acres of land. On Zillow, they had it listed in 2011 for $798,000. There's this house, there's another 900 square foot nanny mother-in-law house, there's outbuildings. It's a beautiful property. I had a realtor go look at it, and he said, yeah, it's in, like, from the exterior, looks like it's in decent shape, depending what the inside is. He said it could range for anywhere from, 500 to 800. I'll probably clear 100,000 US on that deal. I've never left my basement office, ever.
So there you have it, Dan. This guy, over a year's time, that's what he did. He just kept investing. And so the United States will have no less than 5,000 of these auctions. Will every one of them be just like that? Was that typical? No. Most people make 25, 50, sometimes 100,000. Okay. But there's plenty of those bread and butter deals. I talked to you about people living in Salt Lake City and buying in Michigan. That guy made 25 to 50,000 on over 20 properties over the last 4 or 5 years. This is a part-time gig. That's what it is. This is a side hustle. You just keep your job. Don't quit your job. Just keep your job. Keep on marketing. You get a little extra money. Just do this once in a while, or do it in your IRA. If you do this in your IRA account, now it's in the IRA. What about making all that profit in an IRA where you didn't have to pay any taxes? So I'm not teaching you anything that's slick. It's just stuff that you don't know what you don't know, and that's why I'm here to teach you how.
Oh, thanks. That makes a lot of sense. There's one thing that I consistently hear all the time, and it's like people being hamstrung by fear. Like starting any new project doesn't matter. Starting anything new, the fear factor comes in. But then if we're talking about investing, now they have just the plain old fear of getting out of their comfort zone. But then add on top of that the fear of losing your principal. So for those who kind of struggle with that, can the little guy get started with just a little amount of money, like say $500? You just want to start with $500. Is that even a possibility?
You can start small. So let's talk about that. So these tax auctions are everywhere across the United States. Let me find one from, let's say, Fort Lauderdale or someplace like that. Okay, so here's one that's, here's Fort Lauderdale. Okay, Fort Lauderdale's in Florida. They have a big tax lien certificate auction every single May and June. And there's so many pieces of this paper, they'll all be falling out of my hand. There's literally hundreds, there's thousands. There'll be between 15,000 and 30,000 tax certificates available. So you could go to this list. The same list would be online. Get the same list online. And you could find one for $500. All right, so you could buy that tax lien certificate. Now, keep in mind, you're looking at Ted.Thomas. You can't give me any money. There's no way you're ever going to give me any money. You're only going to give money directly to a local government. This business, we got all the sham guys out of it. This money's going right to the government. All right, the government's going to take the money because they want the tax to pay the firefighters and the police department. All right, now if the people come in and pay their tax, which 98, 99% of the people are going to pay that, most people pay their tax. They're not going to lose a property just for tax. Every once in a while, people will, because it's a big country. There's 100 million properties in the United States. All right, so you bought it for $500, and Florida pays 18%. So 18% of $500, I mean, you might make $75 that year, or you're just going to make pennies. So you can do it to try it, but there's thousands on you. So when people buy tax certificates, they buy dozens of them. They buy them all over. I want to buy that one. I want to get this one. I want to get, because you're going to make small incremental returns depending upon whatever the state is. So Florida pays 18. Then there's other states that pay 20 and other pay 24. But yes, you can start small. Would I tell you to do that? If you want to just try it online, I'd say, go ahead and try it. But you're not going to make very much money buying tax lien certificates. But you can make a lot of money, as we've just demonstrated, buying tax defaulted property. So maybe you want a very conservative investment? I'll give you one right now. You want to be, I'm a conservative investor, I'm going to tell you that. Just because I wear these wild shirts, it doesn't mean I'm not a conservative. I really am. All right, so I would say go to the auction, and when it's online or actually physically, and 20% of all the properties at the auction will be some kind of land, some type of land. Now, don't go out and buy it in the rural land because you can't sell it. Who wants it, right? So you want to buy a residential lot. So the subdivision is all built out, but there's a residential lot there. All right, now that's easy to figure out the value because there's all the houses there. You can figure. All right, so those properties, nobody's looking for those, but the roads are in, the electrical's in, so it's going to have a value. It'll sell at auction for 10 to 20 cents on the dollar. So just like Kelly that I showed you a minute ago, he bought a lot that had $200,000 value. He bought it for pennies, but then he sold it for pennies and made 20,000. So you can do the same thing. So let's say your lot is worth 30 or 40 or $50,000 today. That's what a lot would be worth. But what if you could buy it for $5,000? You bought it for 10 cents on the dollar. Sell it for 30 cents on the dollar. You make some money. You don't have to put up a lot. Put $5,000 up and try it out. Now, if you don't have $5,000, well, you shouldn't be in this business. I mean, you need to take care of your family a little better. But the point is, if you have some money in a savings account or an IRA account or a 401k, this is perfect for that. I have people that have gone from 0 to 7 figures in their IRA over a period of 20 years. I've been teaching this for more than 30 years. It's been a long time. And I do it. I don't just teach it. I do it.
Good to know. Can you, hopefully, maybe you can help clear something up in my mind. Maybe I'm mistaken about this. And going back to tax lien certificates, if the homeowner, the taxpayer, won't pay the county or hasn't been paying the county, why should I think that they're going to pay me on a certificate? Does that make sense?
You're concerned about getting paid. All right, so when you buy this certificate, you can take it home, you can put it on your desk. You're either going to get paid on that certificate or you're going to get the property. None of this information is hidden from the property owner or anyone else. They'll either pay you or they'll lose the property. Now, the county knows they'll lose the property. Does the county want the property? No. What are they going to do with it? They're going to do the same thing you're going to do with it. So they just give you that right starting right out. So half of the states sell tax lien certificates. The other half of the states, they're going to send a notice. They're going to confiscate the property. They've confiscated something they don't want. So they're going to sell that at auction. Now, are these auctions a big deal? I'll show you how big a deal they are. It'll make an impact. This is Los Angeles County, one of the wealthiest counties in the United States. It's an auction that recently took place, and the auction took place. Every one of these properties will sell for 10 or 20 or 30 cents on the dollar, starting bid. Okay, so most of the starting bids will be 10 cents on the dollar. Now, if you go and find one that's worth, there's properties in here that have values of $2 million. There's properties in here that have values of 20,000. There's something for everybody here. To go through this whole auction book, it would take us, to teach you how to do it, take us a day or two to just show you that there's so much abundance that it's impossible to handle. You'll have to, if you're going to go to a big auction, you'll have to narrow down to one part of town. There's too much. There's too much of this. I don't care if you're in New York, North Dakota, Miami, Dallas, Texas, it's not going to matter. Properties are going to auction every year. There's 100 million properties. If 1% of them go to auction, think about the immensity of this business. It's
Lots
huge.
of opportunity. Yeah.
Exactly.
That's
Exactly.
exciting.
Yeah.
I know you want to keep these segments to about 15
Right.
minutes. So, what do they say? The mind can only absorb what the rear end can tolerate.
Folks, what we're going to do is we're going to do a total of 4. So this finishes 2. If you like what you're hearing, we're going to come back with 2 more videos about the same length so we can learn a lot more. If you like what you're seeing, and you can go down below if you want and just register for a 1 day, all day. It's a virtual event. So I'm going to come into your living room or your dining room or wherever you have internet connection, and you can sit and watch and learn all about tax liens. We have an event that starts at 11 o'clock in the morning and goes to 5 in the afternoon. It's virtual, so you can have breakfast, you can eat your eggs with us, and you can have your lunch with us, you can have your breaks with us. But it tells you all about the business, and that's how we teach people. It's a $47 1 day that we'll be promoting with this, and you don't have to buy anything, you can just learn if you want. So I'll be back with 2 more videos. That's all for now.